Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we've got something exciting for you, the all-new 2025 Skoda F3. A stylish, practical, and performance-packed sedan that aims to redefine its segment. Let's dive into the details, starting with the exterior. Right off the bat, the Skoda F3 boasts a bold and modern design. The front features a sleek, redesigned grille with chrome accents, flanked by sharp LED matrix headlights that give it a premium look. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly into the body, enhancing its sporty appeal. Moving to the side, we have newly designed 18-inch alloy wheels that add to its dynamic stance. The sloping roofline creates a coupe-like silhouette, making it look both elegant and aggressive. At the rear, the LED taillights stretch across the width, giving it a futuristic touch, while the integrated spoiler adds a hint of sportiness. The overall design is a blend of sophistication and sport-inspired styling, making the Skoda F3 a real head-turner. Stepping inside, the cabin is nothing short of impressive. The interior is a perfect balance of comfort and technology. High-quality soft-touch materials are used throughout, and the new 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster provides all the essential driving information with crystal-clear visuals. The centerpiece is the 12.9-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system, featuring Skoda's latest user interface, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The new ambient lighting system allows for customizable moods, creating a premium driving experience. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather with added lumbar support for maximum comfort on long journeys. Rear passengers get ample legroom and headroom, making it ideal for family trips. The panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel to the cabin, while the dual-zone climate control ensures passengers stay comfortable no matter the weather. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Skoda F3 comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 150 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. Paired with a smooth shifting 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, it delivers a refined and responsive drive. The acceleration is quick, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 8 seconds. The fuel efficiency is also impressive, thanks to Skoda's mild hybrid technology, offering better mileage and lower emissions. The F3 handles exceptionally well, with precise steering and well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps effortlessly while maintaining stability at high speeds. Now, onto the pricing. The base model starts at around $28,000, while the fully loaded variant goes up to $35,000, making it a competitive option in its class. With its premium design, tech-savvy interior, and efficient performance, the 2025 Skoda F3 is definitely worth considering. That's a wrap for today's review. What are your thoughts on the new Skoda F3? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next one.